All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Rehan. I'm a senior backend engineer at DocPack, and currently I'm also building a SaaS application called Subtitle Me, which automatically adds subtitles with different type of templates in your application. So do check this out. And today in this video, I'm going to integrate Laravel application with LemonSqueezy. If you're building SaaS applications like me, this Laravel LemonSqueezy integration is a must to collect payments, automatic subscriptions, etc. Let's just before that, I'm going to show you a package which makes our life much easy. So I'm sorry, let me, yeah, this is the website. This is the GitHub page for that. This is the official Laravel Lemon Squeezy integration package. Let's just follow this and get started on the coding. So let's just create a new Laravel application called Lemon Laravel. For now, let's go with Livewire. Built-in auth is fine. I don't want vote best. All right. So I currently use this lemon squeezy with my, I don't know, what is this? As- Apologize. Okay. Okay. So once this is installed, yes, we want to install and run. All right, we are set. The Laravel application is now installed. Let's just go inside the folder and run composer, run dev. Let's see what it says. All right. Here I have Herd installed in my computer locally, and that's why if I go to lemon-laravel.test, you're able to see this, right? I just create a user quickly. Awesome. We have this base set up for us, right? We'll make changes to this. So let's just open PHP Storm again. I think that was, yep. I mostly work with PHP Storm. I love working with this. Let's do a create new project. Sorry. Open, go to Herd and Lemon Laravel. All right. So we have a new Laravel app ready to go with authentication built in. Right. So what we are going to do is like, for example, we're going to show some values here only if the user is authenticated. This is just for example, but to show you how you can easily integrate this one. Right. So we have this dashboard here. We're just going to add a new button here called buy now. Right. Before that, let's just install this. Application, sorry, package, right? If I go here, cd into lemon, we are already in lemon Laravel. Run this command to install lemon squeezy official package into your system, into your GitHub project. This is done. Now this package comes with all the tables necessary for taking account the subscription, all the data which we do on the Lemon Squeezy side. So once we run page partition migrate, the Lemon Squeezy package pulled in all these tables for us, right? And now what we're going to do is let's just go to let's go to web.php. All right, here, this is what we are working on. View is this. I don't want a view. I just want dashboard controller class, right? So we are going to create a component controller, HTTP controller, right? So just duplicate this and called dashboard controller, right? This, I'm sorry, guys, this is how I create a controller, right? The controller is ready. Now I say invoke. So let's not do invoke here. Let's do public function by, right? Let's die and dump to see whether it's working fine. So first what we have to do is first we have to create the show, return view dashboard, right? So we change this. We have to import this. Sorry, let's just import this. Yeah, the import is done. I don't like my imports to be lingering around in my core files, and so I always do this, right? Once this is done, let's go to lemon laravel php refresh. Okay, okay. This is my bad. If I refresh now, it says dashboard controller not found. Okay, this is because I'm not using the invoke function anymore. So we have to mention the function name here, right? So show is what we created, right? Hmm. Okay. That was some other way. All right. We are set now. So we're going back to dashboard controller. It's called dashboard. Let's go to dashboard.play.php. And this is all components. Let's find that component here. Layout, auth simple, fine. Let's do it. Sidebar check for dashboard here. All right. Dev by now. Sorry, by now. And you see the button here. That's fine. And we're just gonna wrap this up and we're just gonna redirect there. Route. I believe this is how you do it. I don't remember this anymore. So do this middleware auth verified name lemon.by. All right, we're just going to create a new controller to call this function, right? So dashboard, sorry, and here we call it by, right? And if you go to slash by, so this is what our name is. So if you go to dashboard, if you go to sidebar, we just put this here, and I think we should be good to go, right? Yeah, if you see in the bottom, it goes to slash by. All right, this is exactly what we wanted, right? So now you can just do, let me check the documentation here, check for subscription, right? Subscription, or we will just create an order first. Order, there's something called checkout here. This is the thing. We call it here, all right, road get. This is what we want. Copy this, paste it. Let's do this. Just do auth user subscribe. Now, if you go and try this again, it will definitely fail. It will say, oh, okay, sorry, we forgot to add. We have to go to users.php. One basic step which we forgot, which we need to add billable here. Oh, interesting. Oh, all right. All right, we have added billable here, LemonSqueezy. Now the function should, yeah, the LemonSqueezy store was not configured. So from here on, we're just gonna see what setup which we need to do in our LemonSqueezy store, right? If you go to LemonSqueezy store, I already have a LemonSqueezy store set up. It's very easy. So we just need to fill a form, and then after a few verification, they will create a account for you, right? I'm currently working on subtitle me. I'm in test mode, right? First, we have to do is we have to create API keys. For that, what where I will go is I'll go into settings, and if you go to API, right? So I already have multiple API keys created, but for this video sake, I'm going to create one more API key, YouTube API key demo, right? If I just create, I'll just say it expires tomorrow, just for safety if I forgot to delete this. Just create this API key, copy this. This is very important that you don't lose it, because once the pop-up closes, it will not show you again. So I just copy it, come scroll down. So this is my API key, right? So, all right. So let's go back to this documentation and see what are all the env files which we need, right? So store underscore ID, let me squeeze it here. The API key needs to be placed under this key. So just copy this back and put it here, and then store ID, right? Where you can pick the store ID from is, if you go here, close this, click on here, go to, sorry, if you go to settings, go to stores, click on the store. So this will, the squeeze is usually slow, right? If you go to subtitle me, this is your store ID. I'm just going to copy the store ID and add this here. Once this is done, right, you see I got a checkout class. Here, if you want to get the URL, we just need to do URL, I believe. Let's try. Oh no. All right. Related resources does not exist. This is because this variant ID does not exist. So I'll just show you where you can take the variant ID. So in here, if you go to discount, go to order, sorry, we have to go to products. So I already have a product set up for this demo purpose. I'm going to create one more product. Uh, just say um, creator plus and creator plus for subtitle me, right? This could be a subtitle, this could be a subscription, or this could be a single payment. For now, I'm gonna do single payment, just to show you how it works. Standard, I'm gonna say $99.99. This is a SaaS, and this is not unnecessary variants. I'll talk about variants in the next video where we will cover the subscription part, right? And just click publish here. Once this is published, go click here. We should copy this variant ID, not this copy ID. Many developers do this mistake and they stuck in this problem for a very long time. So we just need to copy this variant ID. Once we copy this variant ID, there you go, 899. And let's just refresh here, right? Once we refresh, we have this URL where the user will be redirected and ask for payment. Once we go in here, there you go. We have this creator plus $99. This is all right. So what we're going to do is we're going to just create a redirect here. Redirect, redirect, copy this whole thing, and we are set. Hopefully, if we go here, refresh, it's loading. There you go. Right. I'll go show you one more time. So we're in dashboard. To have this buy now button. Once we click on this, it will redirect the user to pay for the subscription, right? So before that, what we are going to do is we're going to work on this stats. Uh, here we go. So I'm not going to worry more about design. Let's say just, yeah, it's 1, 2, 3. You are subscribed, right? This is what we're going to show if the user is subscribed. That how we can check is we just do auth, sorry, it's auth user and is subscribed, right? If it is subscribed, show this, else, and if gonna show the existing one, which is mm, oh my god, I lost that, I guess. Okay, anyway, you need subscript subscription, right? So if I go back to dashboard, a subscribe is not available. Let's search in this. I think it is just subs SCRIBED. Yeah, this is the function to check whether the user is subscribed or not. All right. So what I have done is I just put a basic if clause. If the user is subscribed, it's just gonna say you are subscribed. Otherwise, you need subscription. This is a basic thing, right? It says you need subscription. I'm gonna click on buy now. Let's see. There you go. It comes in here. Even if you pay, it's not going to do anything. I'll tell you in a moment, right? So we are just going to do sample. Uh, this I don't want. Click here. This is not my real address, guys. Anyway, so I'm going to pay here. Once I pay, let's wait for this. Thanks for your order. This is success, right? If I click on continue, it's going to take me to all these are my test data, so don't worry. All right, so this but what we need to do is we need to take back the user to our dashboard to show that message that whether you are subscribed or not, right? So for that, what we can do is this package already gives you uh, let me just clean up this code of, right? User, let's copy this, sorry, let's just copy this here, right? And this gives back an URL. I'm going to do an URL here. So this much easier for you guys to understand, right? I think we have something called redirect here. I don't remember. Let's check in the documentation. Redirect. Mm, here you go. The checkout redirect to this URL, right? So checkout. Okay. I'm just going to copy the whole thing, add it here. Just hope, bear with me, guys. So I'm just going to copy this and redirect to this, right? Once this is done, let's see what happens. May I check out this value? This, okay, that's right. Now back to my application. I click on buy now. Must be a type of string. Checkout given. Interesting. I have messed up. Just a minute. So basically, there is a. I just need to add this. If I'm not wrong, let's add this. Yeah, I don't think we need this as well, but it should work. I'm missing. Yeah, this should work. It's refreshing. There you go. We come back here. We'll make one more payment. So once I click on process, this time around it's gonna show me the same pop-up again. And when I click OK, it's gonna take me back to my application. Yeah, there you go. I should have given slash dashboard. All right, I don't want to test this out. I guess you understood how it works, right? So once this is done, now again, still if I go back, it still says you need subscription, right? The main thing is because the user is not subscribed. If I go back here, sorry about that. Let me open my database, go to Lemon. Oh, interesting. Let me check what my database is configured to. Database. Oh, it's MySQL. And let's change it to MySQL. LemonSqueezy, right? I'm gonna do one more time PHP artisan migrate. Yes, it's running all the databases. This is until this is the Laravel's default database, and all this is given by the LemonSqueezy package. Right. Once that is done, let us check in the database. LemonSqueezy here. If you see there is no there's no database entry which is actually happening. The reason why is happening because we don't have the webhook setup, right? So let's do the webhook setup. If you go to uh, if we go to the webhook part of the documentation, right? We need to do this first. I don't want this webhooks, this one, right? Um, copy this. If I run this, I don't think I have the setup. Even if I set the expose, I don't think this is going to work. So what we're going to do is first, we're just going to copy this. We'll just create the route first, right? So to create the route, I'm just going to do a small copy paste. I'm just going to go to hyper URLs. I'm going to app. I'm going to HTTP. Nope. I'm going to go to routes. I'm going to web, copy paste here. Oh, right. This is what we need to copy. We go back. So whenever a new subscription is made on the Lemon Squeezy need a place for to tell us that there is a subscription actually happened, right? So this is the webhook we will create. So Lemon Squeezy slash webhook, and this webhook class comes from the package itself. It handles everything: creation, cancellation, order created is there, order refunded, everything it handles. You don't need to do anything as such, right? That's it. And we need to set up a webhook on the Lemon Squeezy app as well, right? So if you go back here, if you go to settings, go to webhooks. Yeah, so this is all my previous old webhooks. I'm going to create one more webhook for you guys. But before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do expose. So I've already done here, similar to this. I'm going to copy this route and do this. And I'm just going to say 11. What's my domain here? Right. This I'm gonna do. Put it here. Here. Damn it. All right. We're gonna expose this so that we can currently listen locally during the development. Once this is shared, the expose is gonna give me a URL. Just gonna copy this URL, go to here, and create one more, right? This is done. So yeah, do this and do this one. I'm sorry. Here and create this. Yeah. Okay. Copy this. Okay, so whatever the end block has given, this in actual production, this should be your actual URL, right? So for example, it should be subtitleme.com/LemonSqueezy slash something, right? So for local development, this is the only way which we can do. In sign in secret, I'm gonna do YouTube demo video. So this is also important. So I'm gonna do order created and subscribe created. So we're just gonna focus on created this in this video, and in the next video, I'm gonna create the whole subscription flow, right? Once I click on save, right, the webhook is saved. And now, so what it's gonna do is once there's a new order, it's gonna notify this URL, right? In this URL, we have this webhook controller where it automatically, the package itself automatically handles the database insertions. All right, let's try this out. One more time. I'm gonna do refresh here. What happens? All right, so we are back. Not sure what really was the problem. I just restarted my servers, the classic reason, right? So once we have this setup, right? Okay, we have to also give a set up this webhook URLs, right? So for that, what I'm gonna do is again go back to my older functions, or maybe let's take it from here. Just search for secret. This is what we need to copy, put it here. Whatever we have created in here, copy this, right? So we give this, and we also need to provide the path webhook and the webhook. There's one more sign in secret. Nope. I think this is, let's just try with this. Right, a refresh, give it a refresh. Let's just go to buy directly. Once we are here, we need to, this should be get called here, right? Let's wait for it. There you go. It's 200 lemon squeezy. Okay, it goes back to slash dashboard. And let's wait for it. It should say you need, oh, it still says you need subscription. Interesting. Um, let's see what's happening on the on this side. Right, I click here. Hmm. Order create says, oh, it says 200 though, right? Order created. Hmm. Interesting. If you go refresh this, there you go. We already have it. Hmm. I think it should be there. If I refresh, it should work if I'm not wrong. Oh, interesting. Just do auth user and say create. Okay. Subscribe. Oh, this is not a subscription. Okay. All right. I know. What's the problem? Go here. Buy product. Status. Okay. This is okay. What's this order here? Okay. Let's just print it out here and see. Not here. I go dashboard. I'm gonna print this. Oh, it's actually not coming in here. And for each, and do this, right? Let's see what we get in here. Oh, it's a number of users, really? Oh, yeah. Copy this, put it here. All right, you have this on this, right? So I want just the recent orders. I'm gonna do here, right? There's one order. There you go. Right? We have one order here, right? So we wanna check what this order does by visiting this. Oh, see, this was the problem. We had this commented out. I'm gonna save this. Right. How did it say 200 though? Interesting though. Let's just go do a log here. I know this is not where we need to add incoming webhook. This was just for testing. I just remove it back, right? So we need to try it one more time. Before that, we go here, we go to users, we go to dashboard, go here, refresh. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm confused myself here. If you go to customers, where's my customers? Go to orders later. I go to my orders. Okay, there you go. I have my order already in place, right? So my mistake is we have the order set up to check if an individual order space. You may use this paid method. Besides that, there are three checks you can do: pending, failed, refunded. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, this is what we're gonna do, right? My bad. So here, go here. We're gonna list all the product has product. So this is the product ID. Now we use variant ID, right? Has product purchased, has variant purchased, right? If this user has okay this if this user has this variant, right? This variant, then we're just gonna do die and dump. Let's see. I think it should work. As variant is not there. Okay. Oh, all right. It's in orders, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do orders of first. Does this work? Hopefully it should work, right? It is orders. There you go. We have latest. Let's take the latest order. We have the latest order first, right? All right. We have this, right? So latest order. On this latest order, we have to check whether we have this variant or not. If I refresh, there you go, it has, right? Sub paid equal to false, paid equal to true. I'm gonna send this data paid, paid, right? If you go back to dashboard, instead of doing all these things, just check paid. If I refresh here, oops, here we go. You are subscribed, right? So let's just do one more try. Go back. I'm gonna do a new registration of user. Copy, 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 and we create it. Oh my God, what really happened? Okay, the system is really slow, guys. Right, I'm gonna do with this. What's happening? Okay, this one, copy this, paste. There's some problem. Let's just do a fresh installation, a fresh creation of username, and test out the whole system. Register has variant or not. So this is one bug which we have faced. So if there is no order, also we have to check, right? This should do, right? You need subscription, right? So once we click on this buy now button, it takes you to LemonSqueezy, right? And we are listening to this post request. There's another, oh, it's 419. Um, Actually, you know what, guys? You don't even need this. It's already there in the package. So what I'm gonna do is, if you go back, it says you still need subscription because the webhook was not processed, right? I'm gonna do it one more time, and yeah. Oh, sorry, this is my data. I'm gonna hide it. Don't worry. Let's do tags here. Right, it's loading. I'm not sure. I don't know why this happens twice. And it's the problem in the test mode. Once the processing is done, we're gonna go back. Yeah. Now there you go. There's 200, 200. If you give OK, it will go back and it's going to say that you are subscribed. You are subscribed, right? So this is how you can implement Lemon Squeezy quickly. So basically, we just need added one function here. It's called buy function, which takes the user. It tells which product to subscribe, and it tells to return back to dashboard once the process is done on the Lemon Squeezy side, right? This is one part which we added, and also on how to render whether it is a subscribed user or not. What for that, what we had done is we take the users, orders, latest, and we check whether this particular variant or a format. We can also loop through all these orders as well, right? And check whether this variant is available or not. If it is available, I'm just saying paid. I'm in the dashboard. I'm checking for paid, whether you're subscribed, you're not subscribed, right? So this is how this is quick way to add any subscription orders to your Laravel SaaS application, right? So so in the next video, hopefully I'm going to cover on subscription how this happens repeatedly multiple times, so that you can charge your customer a monthly subscription and earn revenue out of it. All right. So before saying bye, I'm just going to remind you again to check this app and do follow my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.